Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 4 and today I'm going to show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from the phone that is paired with your watch, on your watch, and notifications about the phone calls, applications and stuff like that. So let's get started. So for the notifications to work, we need to allow some permissions for the OHealth application. And to allow them, you can press and hold on the OHealth application icon, then tap on Info. And here you can tap on Permissions. And if you want to receive the notifications about the calls, for example, or SMS, you will need to allow specific permissions. And you will need to allow the call logs, contacts, phone, and SMS. I'm going to allow them by tapping on one and tapping on allow. And once you allow the SMS, phone, contacts, call logs, you should be able to receive the notifications about the calls, but still we need to allow a few more permissions. And to do that, we can open the OHealth application, tap on device right here at the bottom of the screen. Here you should see your OnePlus Watch 4. And now if you scroll down through this page and find the notifications option and tap on it, here you will see the pop-up about the permission. If you don't have the required permission allowed, of course. If you have it allowed, you won't see this, but if you don't, you will see this page and you need to tap on turn on, allow, turn on again. It will direct you here. You need to tap on the switch next to allow notification access, allow, and then you can go back. At this point, you should see the settings page for the notifications. And here you can turn on or off the notifications, for example, for watch apps. So this is specific for the applications that are on your watch, and you can turn them on or off. You can also manage the app notifications, and here you can turn on off or on off the notifications for apps on your watch. And then we have the notification from phone apps, and here you can again turn it on or off. And you can also enable and disable some settings like silence incoming calls on your phone, silence the notifications on your phone. Basically, while you're wearing your watch, it will silence the notifications, call notifications on your phone, or app notifications on your phone. Then we have the when not wearing device option. If you enable this option and you're not wearing your watch, you will still see the notifications on it when phone is unlocked. So if you're using your phone that is paired with your watch and it's unlocked, basically it will still show you the notifications on your watch if this option is enabled. If it's disabled, it won't, of course. Then we have don't sync silent notifications. You can also enable it. And at the end, you have manage app notifications. And here you can turn on or off the notifications for specific applications on your phone. And once you're done customizing the settings for your notifications, you should be able to receive them. So we're going to test it by sending myself that message on Discord. So I'm going to send the message right here like that. And as you can see, we got the notification on our phone. Let's check our watch. We have it right here. So it is working. And you can read the notification right here by swiping up on the home screen to open the notification panel. And here we have our notification from the Discord. You can mark it as read. You can also reply and stuff like that. Okay. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.